Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll cover chapter 3, topic is give and take part 4 from class 3 mathematics NCERT book. You can also watch the starting chapter and part 1 to 3 of this topic using the links given in the description. So let's start with our video. In previous video we have seen these sort of problems where we are trying to add 2-digit numbers, and we have seen like how if you add 10 to this number we were moving to one row up and we'll get 65. This is the example where we are adding 10 to 55. Similarly, if you add 10 to 38 we can move to 48 or we get 48. But this is applicable for this table because we are using only 10 numbers into each row. So 1 to 10, these are only 10 numbers. From 81 to 90, these are also 10 numbers. So in all of the rows we are using only 10 numbers, and these 10 numbers are kept in increasing order. So that's how this table is designed. So that's why if you add 10 to this inside this table, if you trying to add 10 you can easily get the next number. So if you add 10 to 28 you reach to 38. If you add 10 to 54 we get 64. Similarly, if you subtract 10 we'll move one row down. So from 97 if you subtract 10 we get 87. But this is easier way to calculate the sum or subtract the numbers in tens, 20, and you can split this number and do the calculation. So we'll see how we can perform the calculation in easier way. So let's start. For this question it is 56 and 21. So if you split this number 56, you can write it like 50 plus 6. 21 can be written as 20 plus 1. Then what we can do next? We can pick this bigger number 50 and 20 because it is always easier to add 50 and 20, these kind of numbers which are in tens. Then 6 and 1 can be written together. So here we wrote 6 and 1, 50 and 20 is written over here. So first we'll add 50 and 20. So here is 50, and if you add 20 means 10, 20. So that's how you can add 20 and we'll get 70. So here is 70. In 6 if you add 1 we move one step right, or you can count after 6. If you want to add 1 we'll get 7. This is easy one. So 70 plus 7. Again, to add 7 into 70 we have to count after 7. Sorry, we have to count after 70 till we add 7 steps. So let's start here. This is 70, and if you add 1 we'll reach to 71. After adding 2 we reach to 72, adding 3 73, adding 4 we reach to 74, 75, 76 and 77. So here if you add 7 to 77 we'll get this number. Sorry, if you add 7 to 70 we are getting 77. So this one is easy one. So again I am repeating, 70 we want to add 7, so we have to count 7 steps after 70. So this is our first step, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So this is our 7th step. Finally we get 77. So here's our answer. And if you look at in this cloudy box, it is given in the different way how to solve this question. So this is one way, but you can also solve in this way. And what is done over here? This is 20 plus 1. So if it is 20 plus 1, it means this 21 is split as 20 plus 1. First we'll add 56 and 1. If you add 1 to 56 we get 57. We get always the next number if you add 1 to any number. So if you add 1 to 55 we get 56. If you add 1 to 56 we get 57. Similarly this 56 plus 1 give us 57. And here is 20. If you add 20 to 57 we get 77. So that's how you can solve this is the another way to solve this problem. Let's move to the next examples. So here are some example, and we have to work out in mind to calculate these numbers and find out its solutions. So let's try with first number. This is 33 and 42. So we'll try to split the numbers and we'll add. So here what I have done, I have split 42 into 40 plus 2, and what we are going to do, first we'll add 33 and 2. If you add 33 and 2, we'll get 35. Here we get 35. And what is left over? 40 is left over. So in 35 we have to add 40 more. So 10, 20, 30, 40. It will take us to 75. That's how you can add these two numbers to get 75. Again, we'll take another example. This is 19 plus 61. So here is 19. Here is 61. We can write again 60 as 60 plus 1. So this both number will give us 61. Now what we can do, 19 and 1 can be added first. Okay, 19 plus 1 will give us 20. And what is left over? 60 is also left over. So we have to add 60 more. So if you add 20 plus 60, what it will give? It is exactly same if you add 20 to 60 or 60 to 20. So we'll pick bigger number and we'll try to add a smaller number to bigger one. So in 60 we'll add 20, means 10 and 20. It will give us 80. So that's how you can add 20. Next example, 48 plus 42. This is 48 and 42 we can write it like 40 plus 2. Again this 48 and 2 can be added together. These two numbers will add together, it will give us 50. 48 and 2 will give us 50, and what is left over? 40 is left over. So this 40 is not yet added. So we have to add 40 more. So after 50 we will count 40. So count 10, 20, 30, 40, and we get 90. That's how you can add these two numbers. Next number we'll try 33 plus 27. So again this is 33, and if you add 27 we can split 27 as 20 plus 7. So 33 plus 7, what it will give? So this is 33. If you add 7 we have to move 7 steps right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we reach to 40. So these two numbers will give us 40, and what is left over? 20 is left over. We'll add 20 more. 10, 20. Because we have to add from in 40. How much we have to add? 20. So that's why we moved 2 rows up and we got 60. 60 is our answer. Again 34 and 63. We'll try this one. This is easy one, so you can try it on your own. We'll pick this one. 53 and 64. So if you have to add 53 and 64, you can split 64 in this way. 53 and 4 can be added together. If you add 53 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we get 57, and we have to add 60 more. Now we'll add 60 more. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So after 97, if you add 10 more, we get 107, and if you add 10 more to 107, we get 170. So this is the final answer. 55 and 25. Again this is very simple. So 55 is here. If we add 25 means we have to add 20, so we'll get 75, and 5 more we have to add. It means we have to move 5 steps right, we get 80. 67 and 25, again same way. 67 is here, we want to add 25, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we get 292. 72 and 56, this will give us big number. You can try it on your own. I am just showing this answer. So that's how you can try these kind of solutions. At least make yourself perfect to add 2-digit numbers. Try practicing it again and watch this video again if you haven't got anything or you have any confusion. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed a lot, and here we end. See you in the next video where we'll go rest of the chapter. Bye everyone, take care and stay safe.